watch this. Ooh! That ain't nothing. When you book your birthday parties in advance, we'll have time to prepare the most wonderful birthday party you ever did have.